Ms. Wang, you recommended that we use a SDVC for variable frequency controller series. Our engineers don't know how to use vibration sensor. Can you teach us how to use it?
No problem. Ms. Wang will shoot a vibration sensor installation video today, and you will learn it at a glance. First, plug the aviation plug of the vibration sensor into the socket. Here, pay attention to aligning the sockets of the grooves, and that's it. After connecting, there are 3 ways to install it. The first way is very simple. Install the sensor on the side of the base. The second way is to install it under the material tray, and you need to pay attention to avoid the material tray pressing on the vibration sensor. The third way is to weld a bracket on the base and install the sensor on the bracket. There are 2 places Ms. Wang wants to remind you, don't install it wrong. The first is our outer ring, and the second is our straight road. These 2 places are easily disturbed and cannot accurately reflect the oblique point of the vibratory feeder bowl. After the vibration sensor is correctly connected, we turn on the power switch. At this time, the indicator light of the sensor is on, which means that the sensor has been connected. Is it very simple? If you have any questions about the vibratory feeder bowl and controller, please leave a message to Ms. Wang in the comment area. Ms. Wang will answer them for you.